Hi, I'm Aida, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw an ear. So let's get started. I drew the shape of the ear. Now I use a soft small brush and charcoal powder to make lines thicker and more visible. I use charcoal pencil and charcoal powder for drawing. But if you don't have them, you can use graphite pencil and make powder from your pencil. I uploaded a video about sharpening pencil and making powder. You can watch that video. Its link is on the description. After that, I use a bigger brush and charcoal powder and start shading. I told you before, you should start shading from dark parts. Don't put a lot of powder on the paper. Shade over and over again to get the suitable darkness. I drew hair, but I didn't record it. If you have problem with drawing hair, watch videos on my channel. Now the ear has shadow and is dark enough, but it needs some light. I use Faber-Castell kneadable eraser. When you want to use this eraser, you should tap on the paper. Don't rub it. I also use Faber-Castell Perfection eraser. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.